Hey, I'm Jan Mercer, Fayette Creek Elementary Family Resource Coordinator. I think Beautiful Tomorrow is a great program. Everybody that knows about this, they should have it at their school. They touch on so many different things. I think it's great. My favorite part of the show, I can't point out one favorite. I loved it all. Everything he did was my favorite. I would recommend this program to all schools. They touch on bullying, self-esteem, education that matters to these kids. They're telling them they need how education does matter, and they touch on so many different things that's in the problems right now in the school.
Be beautiful.